So hi guys, I'm Kirtan. So today we are going to create a custom VPC. Here we are going to create a two-tier architecture. This is the two-tier, and we are going to create two route tables. And for one route table, we are connecting to the internet gateway. Through internet gateway, we are connecting to internet. So from there, the user can access. So first, we have to sign into our console. In this, we have to search for VPC. In this your VPC we have to go. Here there will be default VPC for everyone, default subnets for everyone, and the route table also default will be there, and the internet gateway will be there. So first we have to name this. So for our understanding, default one VPC, and here the subnets I have to mention default 1 and default 2, default 3 and the default 4. These are the default subnets, and this is the default route table. And this is the default internet gateway. So now we have to create our custom VPC. Here there is a default VPC. So here we can see this is the custom VPC. So this we have to create in our console. We have to go to create VPC. Here VPC only we have to select. So we can give any name. So I'll give VPC. So here we need not to change anything. Here IPv4 CIDR we have to give. So in this I have taken a 192.168.100.0/24. So 192.168.100.0/24. So next we need not to do anything here. So we have to create VPC. Yeah, by this the VPC will be created. Yeah, this is our VPC, IPv4 CIDR name. So then we have to create our subnet. So by clicking the create subnet, we have to select where we have to create the subnet. So we have by looking this, we have to create the subnet in the custom VPC. So we have to select the custom VPC here, and then the subnet name. So I'll take 1. So availability zone. So here by this architecture, the first one is in US East 1A. So I have to take US East 1A. After selecting the availability zone, so we have to give the subnet. So the first one is 192.168.100.0/28. So I'll write it here. 2.168.100.0/28. This is the first one. So we have to create other three, this one, and this one. For the next one, so we can add new subnet here only. So this is my next subnet, so cus2. So the availability zone here I have taken US East 1B. So I'll take in the availability zone US East 1B. So I have to give the CIDR. I have to give 192.168.100. What is this? 16.16. So /28. So this is the second subnet. We have to create the third subnet. So this is the third one. So in the third one I have taken in US East 1A availability zone. In the availability zone we have to select US East 1A. So here we have to write the subnet. So 192.168.100.32/28. This is the third one. We have to create the last one. So /4. This in this availability zone it is in the US East 1B. So we have to create in the US East 1B availability zone. So we have to create the subnet 192.168.100. 48/28. So by clicking the create subnet, these 4 subnets will be created. So let's try. Yeah, it is created. So to check, so refresh it. Yeah, here this is where is this is the cus1, this is the cus2, this is the cus3, and this is the custom 4 subnet what we have created. So after creating the subnets, we have to create a route table. So when we create the VPC, automatically the route table will be created. So here is this is the default one. This is the created when we created our custom VPC. This is the custom VPC's route table. So we have to map it. We have to name it so that we can understand easily. Yeah. So in the internet gateway also, default internet gateway which is attached to the default VPC ID. So we have to create our internet gateway. So I can give internet gateway. So by doing this, the gateway will be created. So it will ask to attach to VPC. So you can see here, this is the internet gateway. We have to attach it to the VPC. This is the VPC. We have to attach it to this. So when we click the attach VPC, it will ask for the which VPC. This is the custom VPC. We want to attach it to custom VPC. So when we click it, when we attach to internet gateway. Yeah, this custom VPC will be attached to this internet gateway by doing this. So when we go to the internet gateway, yeah, this is our custom internet gateway what we have created. So it is attached to the VPC, custom VPC here what we have created. This is our custom VPC ID. We can see 3EB which is attached to this internet gateway. 3EB. Yeah, after this internet gateway, yeah, in the route table, so we created a custom route table. So this is our custom one route table. So we have to map it to these subnets. So how to map it? So by clicking this, so we can check the subnet association. So here edit subnets association. So here we can choose any subnets what we have to connect. We have to connect the first one and the second one to the first route table. So here I'll choose the cus1 and cus2 and I'll click save association. Yeah, we can see here for the cus route table the two subnets are attached. So subnet, this is called the subnet association. So this is called the subnet association. We have done these two. So we have to create another route table to connect to these two subnets. So for that we have to create another route table. So we can give this is custom private route table. So here we have to select the custom VPC because we are doing our custom VPC. So when we click the create route table, another route table will be created. Yeah, this is the custom route table what we have created now, but it is not okay, the subnet association has not been done to it. So click on the subnet association. So we'll edit subnet association. We have to select the other two subnets, the 3 and the 4. When we click save, yeah, it will the subnet will be associated. We can check here 3 and 4. Yeah, in the custom route table, so we have two subnets CS1 and CS2 which are subnet associated by us. So next we have to connect, we have to give the route for the internet access through the internet gateway. This is the internet gateway, this is the internet. So people can access from the internet through internet gateway only these two subnets. So for this we have to give this internet gateway ID. So for this route we have to select in the custom route table. So in the edit route section we have to click add route. So for the internet gateway, this is the default one. So we have to give the internet gateway. So this is the internet gateway. It will automatically give an ID. So while clicking the save changes, so from the internet, so through the internet gateway, people can access to these two subnets. Yeah. So after these two, so here there is a route table. For this, there is no internet connection through the internet gateway. There is no connection here. So for this, we have to leave this as it. We have to leave this as it is. We are not going to connect through the internet gateway. Yeah, so by doing this, this is the two-tier architecture. So we have created a custom VPC and we have created 4 subnets. So in the 4 subnets, we have created 2 route tables. These are the route tables and an internet gateway only connecting to the first route table. So this is the second route table which is internally connected. So yeah, thank you.